Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where computer is not recognizing headphones, I am assuming that the audio is working in general. But if it's not recognizing headphones, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, mostly headphones are a plug and play device and the drivers are not an issue. We can consider that later, but the drivers are not an issue. The main issue is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound in the right pane. Now, if there are headphones connected with the 3.5 mm jack, select speakers, even if it seems otherwise, even if they are headphones, and if they are USB headphones, you'll have to check this option. Okay, and the same goes for input. If it has a combined mic, you have to check the correct option. At times, the name of the headphone will be mentioned here. Okay, so this is how you can check that. And then again, you can search for device manager and open the device manager, expand the list of audio inputs and outputs, and update the headphone drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.